की बाजीबाई केवदे कोल्हापूर इंटरनेशनल न्यूज Indian music generally implant brain chief in first woman. National news Nirmala Sitaram to present in trend budget on February 1st. Thank you. Have a start day. State Sports is brought to you by Virendra Kumar of Platform for State News. BRS delegate on with DGP. Sport News. Lisbon Point eager to make comeback. It rains at NCA. Thank you. Have a good day. Today's weather report is brought to you by Vivasita of Platform Coral. Weather report. Minimum temperature 27 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 25 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Next, my friend will continue. This thought is brought to you by Vishal of Platform Coral. Thought. Never stop learning because life never stop teaching. I repeat my thought. Never stop learning because life never stop teaching. Thank you. I am panel with few words. Worthy meaning having the qualities. Please, friends, please spell after me. Worthy. Worthy. W-O-W-R-O-T-H-Y. Have a short day. Thank you. I am here to give some amazing facts. Fact number 1. You cannot see with your ears without a mirror. Fact number 2. Avocados are not vegetable. Fact number 3. Earphones can increase the bacteria in your ears. Fact number 4. Our planet has 4 trees compared to stars in our solar system. Thank you.
Suman from grade 4 Koran to check your general knowledge about continents. Question for grade 1. How many continents are there on Earth? I repeat my You didn't pick the right answer and the answer is 7. Question for grade 2. In which continent do we live? Yes. In which continent do we live? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer and the answer is Asia. Question for grade 3. Which is the smallest continent on Earth? I repeat my question. Which is the smallest continent on Earth?
Australia.
Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Australia. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 4. Please look at the picture and identify the continent name. Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Africa. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 5. Picture and identify the continent name. Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Africa. Country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and greet everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Gopal of grade 10 junior. Today international news. In Chhattisgarh, 3 CRPF personal skill. 14 injured in encounter with myostis. National news. Nitish Kumar government to remove Bihar Assembly Speaker. Now progress in detail. Thank you. Have a peaceful Wednesday. Thank you.
Today's happy morning, everyone. Today, State and Sport News is brought to you by KM Muraf, Junior 10 Topaz. State News. Poll strategist Sunil Kanugula behind Congress winning Telangana and Karnataka sent to Assam. Sport News. Draw for Siraj. Go for an extra pure batter. Prithvi gives an advice to Indian team. Thank you.
Today's weather report is brought to you by Ramcharan of grade 9 Topaz. Today's weather report: maximum temperature 33 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 20 degrees Celsius, humidity 70%, wind speed 10 kilometers per hour. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Today's thought is brought to you by Keshavan of grade 9 Topaz. Today's thought: if you want to shine like a sun, first you burn like a sun. I repeat it again. If you want shine like a sun, first you burn like a sun. Thank you. Have
Everyone, today's word you brought to you by Sushmita from grade 9 Topaz. Word, literate. It means able to write and learn. I will repeat once again. Literate, able to run and write. Friends, please spell out on me. Literate. LITRATE. Thank you.
Amazing facts brought to you by K Ganesh of grade 10 junior. Amazing fact. Fact number 1. Sleeping burns more calories than watching TV. Fact number 2. The giraffe has the highest blood pressure of any animal. Fact number 3. Owls are the only birds who can see the color of blue. Fact number 4. Cockroach can live for a week without its head. Thank you. Next, my friend will be continued.
everyone. Today GK question 6 to 10 is brought to you by UNSR from grade 10 junior Topaz. Question for grade 6. Who founded the Chola dynasty? I repeat it again. Who founded the Chola dynasty? Yes, you picked the right answer. Let us appreciate them. The answer is Vijayala. Question for grade 7. What comes after a trillion? I repeat it again. What comes after a trillion? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer. The answer is quadrillion. Question for grade 8. What vitamin does the sun's ultraviolet rays help the skin produce? Yes, you picked the right answer. Let us appreciate them. The answer is vitamin D. Question for grade 9. Where the World Organization is situated? I repeat it again. Where the World Organization is situated? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer. The answer is Green Switzerland. Open questions for all. What is the smallest country?
Which is the smallest country? What is the smallest country?
Yes, you picked the right answer. Let us appreciate them. The answer is Vatican City. Who is the head of RBI? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer. The answer is Sri Shaktikanta Das.
This article on Lionel Messi is brought to you by Sandeep Naidu of Renan Topaz. Lionel Messi, born on June 24, 1987, Rosario, Argentina. He is a football player who received a record-setting 8 Ballon d'Or awards as the world's top male player. In 2022, he helped Argentina to win the FIFA's World Cup. He had spent his entire football professional career with Barcelona, where he won a club record 34 trophies, including 10 La Liga titles, 7 Copa del Rey titles, 6 Golden Boots, and the UEFA Champions League 4 times. He has a world record of scoring 91 goals and 22 assists in a single season. Messi is the greatest of all time in football. He is currently playing in Inter Miami club MLS League in USA. Thank you.